Welcome to the channel. This is After Basics, where we make 3D modeling easy. Let's get started.
Let's learn about making a banner. So today I got a hammer banner. It is a nice name, right? Okay, then let's talk about the modeling part. The modeling part it's not that complicated. We can start by using the planner. Scale it up, rotate it. We don't need this much width, so we will decrease that. Then we will add maybe like 5 or 6 or maybe 6, maybe 7 or 8. It depends on you. So if you want to animate this banner, you can add more edge loops and it will help in the animation also. Okay, after that we will apply the texture of the banner into the model and we will adjust these parts. Okay, so you guys already know this way. You already know how to make this one. So let's talk about the texturing part. Okay, for the texture I used the diffuse map, that is base color. Then in the geometry I used the opacity. Okay, then also I used the emission color. Okay, so I used the 3-1 and I will show you the maps. Okay, so here are the maps. The first one is for the opacity. So the white area is shown in the model and the black parts are hidden. Okay, for the second one I used the black to eliminate all the colors and only use the the blue color for the hammer emblem and these flames. So I created this in the emission map. It must be in the same alignment, okay, or else it doesn't work. Then this is the diffuse map. Of course we all know about the diffuse map, right? Okay, so the next part will be to add all these into the model. Then we got the final result. Okay, the only tweaks I did in here is to first of all I said I made it in a plane. Then I add a lot of cuts in this part. Okay, in this part I added a lot of cuts so I can turn it into a cylindrical shape. Then again I added this part so it will look like something stitched in here. Okay, so if I render it, you can see this little detail. So it's not a necessary thing to do that. Okay, it's a small detail. No one's gonna know about that. We can just start from this point to this point and it will still look like a banner. Okay, then other tweaks I did is that is a very important setting, that is in this render. Sorry, no, I think it is in the render settings. So render viewport 2.0 and here I made a little change, that is this alpha cut. Okay, so in default you can only see the object sorting and if you select the object sorting, the alpha map won't be activated. Okay, or else you will see the black part and we don't want that. Okay, so we will use the alpha cut to get this effect. Okay, so this is very oldest trick in the YouTube videos. Okay, so I hope this help you a lot. Okay, then what else? So These two are the example of using emission map and not using emission map. Okay, then I will render it also. As you can see the difference, the one with the emission text is very highlighted. Okay, so use emission text when necessary. You can use to light up a bulb or like like electrical energy stuff like that, lightning or like glowing liquid stuff like that. Okay, then yeah, this is the mesh in here. You don't have to delete these parts. You can just use the low poly to create this one. You can also delete this, but don't delete this, and it will not create the illusion of a circular one. But if you are doing in a low poly game, you can delete these unnecessary ones, mainly this one. Okay, so if you delete this one, then you get something like this one, and you can still use it in the game and no one's gonna know about it. Okay, so this is a short video and I hope you like it.
Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. This is After Basic, where we make 3D model for you. See you next time.